Hello everyone. Today we're going to add a customer to QuickBooks Online. Adding a customer is a simple and straightforward process, and it can be done in two ways, which we will demonstrate here. First, let's point out that your left menu bar will either say Invoicing or Sales, depending on how you originally set up your QuickBooks Online subscription. Regardless, choose Invoicing or Sales for our next steps. In the Invoicing or Sales tab, you will find 4 tabs across the top menu bar. We are going to choose Customers for the purpose of this demonstration. The first way that we can add a customer to QuickBooks Online is to choose New Customer on the top far right of your screen. Fill in your customer's pertinent personal information and click Save. Now that the customer has been saved, this brings us to our customer screen where we can now add notes about the customer. Keep in mind, these notes are not seen by anyone other than yourself or your team. They are not seen by the customer in any documentation that you send to them. You can choose to add transactions to a client or a customer from this screen by clicking on the drop-down menu on the top right and choosing to add the transaction of your choice. Another method to add a customer is to add them while creating a transaction in QuickBooks Online. In this example, we will create an invoice that we wish to send to a potential customer. When we click on the drop-down menu where we would choose our customer, we can choose to Add New. We now have the option to either add a customer name only or complete the details for the customer so that the records are clear and complete. Now you can complete the invoice and send or provide to your customer. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video to be helpful, informative, and useful in your journey. Until the next time.